This is so much better than a restaurant. Renaissance people, Renaissance Cam here back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all want to show some support, why don't y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. As you can see, we are back in the kitchen, which means I got another banging recipe for y'all to try. Now I'm sure a lot of you have been to those like Japanese steakhouses where they cook in front of you and spin the eggs and light the onions on fire and pretend to squirt you with the ketchup. Well, that's kind of what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be cooking in front of y'all virtually, not personally, alright? We are making steak and shrimp hibachi, alright? Now for those of you who have been to a Japanese steakhouse, hibachi restaurant, whatever, y'all have seen that this recipe is pretty simple, pretty easy, and pretty quick. It goes by fast, alright? So let's get started. Alright guys, so the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe are, first you're gonna need some steak, you're gonna need some shrimp, you're gonna need 2 eggs, you're gonna need some already cooked white rice, you're gonna need some yellow squash, you're gonna need some green zucchini, you're gonna need some green onions, you're gonna need some baby bella mushrooms, some carrot chips, you're gonna need some garlic powder, some garlic butter, some teriyaki sauce, some hoisin sauce, some soy sauce, some ginger, some sesame seed oil, some paprika, some pink Himalayan sea salt, 1 onion, and some ground black pepper. That's all you're gonna need for this recipe. Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna start out by seasoning our steak and shrimp. I'm gonna start out with a little bit of salt first. Then I'm gonna hit them with some pepper. Then I'm gonna hit them with some paprika, A little bit of paprika. Then I'm gonna hit them with some ginger. Then I'm gonna hit them with some garlic powder. Now we're just gonna mix this in with our hands. Alright guys, so to a hot pan, I'm gonna add in some of this garlic butter here. I got it from Sam's Club, so you can use regular butter, it's not a big deal. And we're just gonna melt some of this down. And this is what we're gonna start cooking our shrimp and our steak with. Alright guys, so with this, we just want to get us a nice sear on our shrimp and our steak. We don't want to overcook it. We want it to be nice and tender, so we can sit this to the side and let it finish resting and everything. Alright guys, this is about as done as I need it, so we're gonna sit this to the side and start our rice. Alright guys, I lied. We're gonna start our veggies first, then our rice, alright? Throw some more garlic butter in that thing, just like that. So we're gonna throw in our carrots, our zucchini, our onion, our squash, and we're gonna throw in our mushrooms as well. Right in there, just like that. We're gonna get some nice color on these mushrooms as well. And while these are cooking, I'm also gonna add a little bit of seasoning. So we're gonna add in some more of our salt, and we're gonna add in some more of our black pepper. And we also gonna throw a little bit of garlic powder in that thing. Alright guys, so that's about the doneness of my veggies. That's how I like mine. I like mine a little bit firmer, so if you like yours a little softer, go ahead and cook them a little bit longer. But this is where I'm stopping at, so y'all carry on. Alright guys, so next up is our rice. So once again, we're going to add a little bit more garlic butter in there just to kick it off. I would recommend the cast iron skillet for this, so you can get that nice crisp on that rice, alright? Alright guys, now we're going to add in our cooked rice to this pan. So we're going to take all of it and just dump it out. Alright, once we got it going, we're going to season. Alright, so first off, some black pepper. Next, some salt. Garlic powder. sesame oil. We're gonna add in some ginger. Give it a good stir. Alright, now we're gonna add in some of this beat up soy sauce. It's just old, it's old. It's still good, but it's old. Add in some of that soy sauce. We're gonna add in a little bit of teriyaki sauce. We're gonna add in some Hoison Sauce. This is kind of like a Chinese barbecue sauce. We're gonna mix. Now we're gonna create a crater for our 2 eggs to go in, alright? So 1 egg in. Other egg in. Alright. Now we're gonna mix all this in. Now we're gonna finish this thing off with some green onions. And that should about do it right there. Alright guys, everything's ready. Let's plate this thing up. Alright guys, so we put in that hard work once again. It's time to taste it. Let's do this. Now as you can see, that looks like it came from a restaurant, right? If not better. Okay. So we got our shrimp here. We got our steak over here. We got our veggies right here. And we got our fried rice right here. And you gotta compliment the hibachi with the yum yum sauce. That's the spicy yum yum sauce too. Oh my God, we're about to get down right now. We're gonna take a shrimp. We're gonna take some steak. And we're gonna dunk it. Try that first. Better than a restaurant. And the veggies, everything just works, man. This right here is perfect. For any date night, you just want to get together with some friends, y'all want to make hibachi, it's perfect. You don't need to go to a restaurant. You can set the mood right at home during coronavirus season. It's supposed to get worse when the winter time comes. So buckle down, go to the store, shop for your goods. Come back home, prepare them better than the restaurant, alright? Alright guys, that's all I got for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video because I certainly enjoyed making it for you. I hope you guys continue to watch my channel, subscribe, show support, leave likes, positive comments, negative comments, it all counts, alright? I'll see y'all next time. Y'all keep on learning.